Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS Pro and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. Now scroll through the settings and find the option called the sounds. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we have the volume option. Select it, and right here we have the volume slider, and we can adjust the sound volume by swiping on it. You can also use the icons by tapping on them. And I believe you can also use the upper and lower button, like this. And once you're done adjusting the volume, you can swipe right on the screen to go back, and then you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.